If your earphones are not equally giving the voice, one is giving more sound and other is giving very weak sound, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to tell you a setting that will equally manage earbuds or earphone sound in iPhones. So first you have to open Settings. Then go to Accessibility. Here scroll down and open Audio and Visuals. The first option you have to turn on is mono audio. It means both earbuds will play the same content. After that, you have to turn on voice isolation. It will improve the dialogue and make sound completely isolated. Also, turn on headphone notification. It is used as precautionary measure. And then come to last part. This is the most important setting. Here, you can balance the audio for left and right earphone. The way you move the cursor, that side will provide higher sound. So by doing all these settings in your iPhone, you can easily solve the issue of left-right sound inequality. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.